My presentation topic, prototype design pattern. My team member is Ashik Elahi, ID last 4 digit 1106. My name is Raisul Islam Bijoy, ID last 3 digit 760. what is what is prototype design pattern? The prototype design pattern, a creational design pattern that creates new object by cloning the existing instance rather than creating them from source. Next, the type of cloning. There are basically two types of cloning the prototype pattern: shadow copy, and deep copy. Real world example. The graphics design software. Suppose you are creating software like Photoshop. The user draws circle that has uh, properties, border changes, color gradients, shadow effect. When the user duplicates this circle, the software creating a clone of previous circle without doing the calculation again. This is prototype pattern. Why use it? Performance improvement, complexity reduction, memory saving. Key elements of the prototype patterns: prototype interface, concrete prototype, clients. Simple prototype interface code. The easy prototype interface is just simple context that say any class they use must have a copy method. Next slide present my team member Ashik Elahi.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashik Alahi and my ID last digit 1106. Today my presentation topic is the prototype design pattern. So prototype design pattern, uh, simple concrete prototype. This is my presenting here simple concrete prototype code. This class is the blueprint that knows how to duplicate itself. Number one, state. It holds data, in this case, name and role. Number two, the constructor used to create the very first original object. Number three, the clone method. This is the heart of the pattern. Instead of a client having to know how to build a concrete user, the object does it itself. Return new concrete user this dot name comma this dot rule. Clone. The client how the client uses them. The client code how to use it. This is shown in the second and third images. It demonstrates the magic of avoiding the new keyword for subsequent objects. Step number 1, create the original, the prototype. Prototype admin prototype equal new concrete user. Admin user comma super admin clone. The client creates one initial object manually. This is now our master copy. Step number 2, cloning the magic. Prototype new user equal admin prototype dot clone instead of calling new concrete user. Why? In complex system, creating an object might involve heavy database hits or complex calculations. Cloning is often cheaper and simpler. Decom- Decoupling. The client doesn't need to know the specific class name concrete user. It only needs to know that the object implements the prototype interface and has a clone method. Step number 3, verification. Admin prototype dot display clone new user dot display clone. Both will output the same data, provide proving that new user is the perfect replica of the original admin prototype. Number 3, simple client. Simple client code. The client code, how to use it. This is where you see the magic. You don't use new for the second object, you just ask the first one to copy itself. Code explain. Circle 1 equal new circle red. You create a red circle. Number 2, shape circle 2 equal circle 1 dot copy clone. You want another red circle. Instead of specifying red again, you just tell the first circle to make a copy of itself. Number 3, result. You know, you now have two distinct objects in memory that are identical in state. Key takeaways. Efficiency useful when creating an object is more expensive than copying one. Simplicity, the client doesn't need to know the complex details of how to initialize a class. Flexibility, you can cloning objects that were configured at runtime without knowing their exact types. Advantages: improves performance by reducing costly object creation, simplifies object creation process, reducing subclass subclassing for different object configurations, allows dynamic addition or removal of object types at runtime, promotes flexibility in cloning and modifying objects. Disadvantages: cloning complex objects can be difficult, deep copy implementation can be uh, complicated, requires careful handling of references to avoid shared state issues. Every class must implement cloning logic properly. Working prototype design pattern. Number 1, define the prototype interface. Number 2, implement concrete prototypes. Number 3, create the client. Number 4, clone and customize objects. Class diagram. Prototype interface, moving interface shape, and this is side by circle, and color string, concrete prototype, shape client and prototype example, resource page reference resources. Thank you.